Today's current is dynamic current. It is called dynamic because dynamic means something fast, move. Dynamic means which moves very fast. The dynamic current is also called as Barnard current because he is the person who invented this current. This current is galvanic current, half, and it has an electroimpulse current. So two currents mixed and forms the dynamic current. This dynamic current is usually it has 100 frequency, 100 hertz per seconds. That is the usual frequency of dynamic current. The dynamic currents are usually 5 types. It has diaphase, monophase, short period, long period, and syncopal rhythm. Syncopal rhythm. These are the 5 types of dynamic currents. The name itself says diaphase. Phase means this is the phase. One phase. Diaphase means it has 2 phases. 1, 2. Diaphasic. And this is a full wave rectified AC current. AC means alternating current. Full wave rectified means it has full wave. Half one side, half on other side. Full wave rectified AC alternating current. And this has a frequency of 100 hertz per second. That means 100 cycles. This is one cycle. This is one cycle.
Per second.
Like this. No, this is one cycle. Like this 100 cycles per second. That is called 100 hertz. When you say 100 hertz, that means like this cycles 100 per second. Okay? So that will be the diaphasic current. The diaphasic current is usually used for a circulatory problems. Wherever there is a decrease in blood circulation, during that time the diaphasic current is used. So when you are using for circulatory problem, you have to keep the electrodes on the blood vessels. So that is called as vasotropic application. When you keep the electrodes on the blood vessel, that is called as vasotropic application. Next one is a monophase or MF. The monophase means, now this is also alternating current, but here predominance is for one phase. For example, one phase is good, another phase is like small. It is also biphase, but the monophase, one phase is a predominant, another one is small. This is a AC current, alternating current. This is called as half wave rectification. That means you cut one of the half, you rectify, you modify the another half. That's why it is called as half wave rectified AC current, which is monophasic. This has a frequency of 50 hertz. What is 50 hertz? What is 50 hertz means?
Jobs. Answer please.
What is frequency? What frequency?
For the phases.
What phase?
Small one.
Huh?
Small one.
Small one means? Explain. Explain the hertz. Who can explain?
Yes, alternating current.
Alternating current.
Yes.
Why? What is 50 means?
One cycle for 50 cycles in a second.
50 cycles in a second.
From beginning to
Because this is one cycle. From here till here is one cycle. Like this, 50 cycles in 1 second. That is called 50 hertz. Okay? Here 100 hertz means from here till here one cycle. Like this 100 cycles per second. Here 50 cycles per second. That is called 50 hertz. So the current frequency is 50 hertz. Half wave rectified alternating current with 50 hertz frequency. That is called monophase. Monophase is usually used in the places where there is pain but there is no muscle spasm. What is muscle spasm? Whenever there is a tight muscle, fixed muscle. Okay, you cannot move that muscle very easily.
prolonged contraction.
Huh?
Prolonged contraction.
Prolonged muscle contraction. Good. So if they have problem like this, that is the time you cannot use. You have to use in the place where there is only pain, but there is no muscle spasm. That is the time you use monophasic current. Okay? So because you are using on only pain, area of pain, not on the muscle, this is called pain spot application. So if this is the pain, you keep one electrode here, another electrode here. That is called pain spot application. The next one, short period or CP. In this, 50% is diaphase, 50% is monophase. 50% is diaphase, 50% is monophase, like this. One full wave, one half wave. One full wave, another half wave. Okay, that current is called as short period. So this is used in the trauma pain. Trauma means any injury. You fall down, bone is fractured, ligament injured, muscle sprained, muscle stretched, any type of the fall or injury kind of pain, you use short period. So here also use pain spot application or muscle kind of application when you want to apply on the muscle. Shabab, silence. Long period. Here there is 10 seconds of MF, 5 seconds of DF. Monophasic will be 10 seconds, diaphasic will be 5 seconds. The major indication for long period current is myalgia. What is myalgia? Myo means pain. Myo means muscle. Algia means pain. Myalgia means pain in the muscle. Neuralgia,
Pain in
pain in the nerve. Okay? Pain in the nerve. Like that, the terms. Vasalgia.
What, doctor?
Vasalgia.
Pain in
Blood vessel. Okay, pain because of the blood vessel. So like this, there are different terms, but their most commons are myalgia and neuralgia. These are very, very common. So long phase is very commonly used for myalgia, pain in the muscles. So you have to apply on the muscle. You will see this practical application, how to apply on the muscle. If this is the muscle spindle, like this muscle, so you keep one on the two ends of the muscle spindle. This is muscle spot application. Nervalgia. During nerve pain, they use combination of LP and CP. Short period, long period is combined. They use for nerve. They keep on the track of the nerve. That also I will show you. Now syncopal rhythm, where 1 second MF, 1 second rest. 1 second current will be there, 1 current is not there. This is used for stimulating the motor nerve or motor nerve root. So that is the time they use. The motor nerve root application also, there is separate application, I will show you that. Okay. So these are the 5 types of currents in didynamic currents. Their current specifications, their indications, and their application procedure, where to apply for these problems. So in the practicals, you may get like a patient has a trauma just 2 days before and had a severe pain in a ankle region. You have to apply didynamic currents. So choose the type of the didynamic current and its parameters. Which current you choose? Which current, which type of didynamic you use for trauma pain? Short period, because it is for trauma. Okay, short period, and the application is pain spot application. Okay, so like this you have to treat the practical. So we'll show you the practical. Now I have one patient. Electrotherapy, pain management, didynamic currents. Can you see MF, DF, LP, CP? LPID is syncopal. Okay, syncopal rhythm. So what I have to choose? I have to choose short phase, CP. That is the current I have to use. So CP, how many electrodes? I am using only one channel. I am using only one channel, 2 electrodes. Treatment time, it is maximum of 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes is the time. Electrodes I selected. Polarity is positive. You can choose negative or positive. Which one negative, which one positive you can select. Okay. Then output is CC. Okay. Start and increase the intensity up to the patient Okay, good. Or more? Relax. The other? Can I increase little? Mode of the current is dynamic current and short phase because it is a traumatic pain. Intensity of the treatment. Here we start with 7 milliamperes. That is his capacity. It is usually depends upon the patient how much intensity they can take. But gradually by the end of 12 minutes you increase to the maximum of patient capacity. How much ever he can take, you can increase that much. That is intensity. Duration 10 to 12 minutes is the duration of the current. Frequency of treatment, alternative day. Not today if you give treatment, tomorrow no treatment, another day. So alternative day is the usual treatment protocol. So this is how the mode, intensity, duration, frequency of dynamic currents. Now the electrode placements, I will show different electrode placements like for pain spot, for nerve root, for muscle, for the nerve and the blood vessels, how to apply. So let his treatment continue. I don't want to stop his treatment. If another person comes, I will show different applications on them, different methods of application. For different structures problem. Shobha, if there is only pain, no muscle spasm, the application is like that. That is called pain spot application. Above anode, above the pain anode, below the pain cathode. That is called pain spot application when there is a pain. Second one is muscular application or application for the muscle. For this you should know where is the muscle. For this you should know where is the muscle. So in the exam I don't show you the muscle, I will ask the muscle. Quadriceps muscle, then you should know where is the muscle. Hamstrings group of muscles. Tibialis anterior, tibialis posterior. So I will say the muscle, you have to put on the muscle. Okay? So tell me the one muscle. I will show you the position. Tell me any muscle.
Biceps.
Biceps, the most commonest muscle which is known by the students, and the least common muscle which will go for injury. So the biceps is here, the biceps bulk is here. So you keep one electrode on the other end of the biceps and one electrode on the this side end of the biceps. So this is the position for biceps muscle. Okay? Triceps, same, this is the muscle bulk for triceps. So you keep one above the muscle belly, one below on the muscle belly. Same side, on the same muscle, not on the opposite muscle. Same muscle, on the muscle you keep two electrodes. For example, tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior usually starts from here and it goes up to here. The main muscle bulk of tibialis anterior is here. So if you do dorsiflexion, you can feel the muscle. Dorsiflexion? Not there. Relax. Not outside, only dorsiflexion. Okay? Relax. Up. Down. Can you feel the muscle? Up. Down. Where is the muscle? Down. Up. Down. Can you keep the fingers here? Up. Down. Up. Down. So this is the muscle.
Yes.
Okay, so you keep one here and other here.
Anode or cathode?
Anode above the muscle,
Anode.
cathode below the muscle.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So this is for muscle. The muscle application is for on the muscle, two electrodes should be there.
Muscle pain the dog spasm or what?
This is for muscle, myalgia.
Mal-
Okay? Pain in the muscle.
Pain. Okay.
Pain in the muscle. The major indication of this current is pain. Okay? It can be muscle pain, it can be blood vessel pain, it can be nerve pain, it can be decrease in blood circulation. 10 minutes to 12 minutes. That is the maximum. Next one is nerve pain. Neuralgia. Pain in the nerve. So you keep on the nerves. What are the nerves? In the upper limb, there is example like ulnar nerve, median nerve, radial nerve, Okay, ulnar nerve supplies the ulnar aspect of the body. So you keep one electrode on the medial aspect of the arm, one electrode on the ulnar side of the arm. This is for ulnar nerve. Or you will keep it on the hand wherever the pain is there. Okay, this is ulnar nerve. Median nerve, again one electrode here, other electrode on the lateral aspect. This is for median nerve, because median nerve supplies this area of the skin. Okay, so median nerve you will keep like this.
Where is that?
The cathode is on the pain. Okay, anode is on the nerve. Okay, now if it is radial nerve, the anode on the radial groove, the cathode on the pain, wherever the pain. It can be from dorsum of the hand, dorsum of the forearm, anywhere, wherever the pain, we can keep on that. This is for radial nerve. For example, sciatic nerve, one electrode on the sciatic region or gluteal region, other electrode on the pain, can be in the posterior aspect of the thigh, posterior calf, anywhere, wherever the pain comes. But one electrode on the gluteus region. Tibial nerve, posterior arm, posterior aspect of the calf. Common peroneal nerve, anterior aspect of the calf, from fibular head of the fibula to the anterior aspect of the leg or dorsum of the foot. This is for common peroneal nerve. So these are the nerve applications for nerve pains. Nerve root pain. Nerve root pain means, can you come forward? So for example, a patient has C7, C8 problem, nerve root problem. C7, C8, you palpate the C7, this is the C7. Okay, the nerve root of C7 comes from here, C7. So you take two electrodes, one below the nerve root, one above the nerve root. Okay, so wherever the nerve root is there, for that nerve root, one below the nerve root, one above the nerve root. So this is what is nerve root application. Next one is circular blood circulation application or vasotropic application for the blood vessels. Whichever place there is decreased blood circulation, on that area you will keep. For example, foot, decreased blood circulation, then you keep one on the dorsum of the foot, one on the plantar aspect of the foot. If you see hand is the decrease in blood circulation, again you keep one on the dorsum of the hand, one on the plantar aspect of the hand or palmar aspect of the hand. Wherever more muscle bulk, there is the cathode. Wherever less muscle bulk, there is anode. Okay, muscles. Wherever more muscles, there is cathode. Wherever less muscles, there is anode. Okay, so this is for vascular application, for improving the blood circulations. So this is what different types of current applications. Okay. So we have seen pain spot application, muscle application, nerve application, nerve root application, blood vessel application. And you have 5 varieties of currents: monophase, diaphase, short phase, long phase, and syncopial rhythm. Syncopial rhythm. These are the 5 types of currents. I show you. Okay. So this is what is didynamic current application. Any doubts?